Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is probably my first episode I'm going to cover on an important topic. It is SEBI new margin rules. SEBI new margin rules, how it works. First of all, you should understand what is SEBI margin rule. Under the new peak margin rules, stockbroker will have to collect the minimum margin paid by a client for taking leveraged position in the market upfront. Peak margin rule has been brought to reduce the additional leverage that a stockbroker actually provided to the clients, and now drop the value at the risk and the extreme loss margin charged because it could square off all positions at the end of the day to meet minimum margin requirement. As this new rule, clearing corporations will demand that minimum margin be maintained throughout the session. Seeing brokers demand additional margin, clients, if they fall short of, stockbrokers will face a penalty. This additional margin leverage will now be restricted and brokers will be penalized if leverage exceeds VAR plus ELM and standardized portfolio analysis risk for the derivative positions. For example, if you wish to buy shares of Reliance Industries worth rupees 1 lakh, the margin charged by the stockbroker is say like 20%, you will have to maintain the entire 20,000 margin to your stockbroker. The margin rule has been introduced in phase so far from September 1st, 2021. Last phase will go into effect. Phase 1, brokers were to be penalized if the margin asked by broker from client was less than 25%, 20% of trade value in case of cash market. The third phase, which came into effect from June 1, broker were penalized if margin was less than 75% of your trade value in case of cash market stocks and the additional span plus exposure for the derivative trades. And from September 1, brokers will be penalized if margin was less than 100%, means what you have, you can only trade on your own money. Second order effect of the new SEBI rules is substantial for the day traders in the market. Implementation of the margin rules attains the leverage and the traders can get from their brokers to execute a trade in the market. Reduced leverage likely to reduce liquidity in the market and in the worst case scenario disrupt the price discovery mechanism of the stock market. Now the question is arises, SEBI has done this. SEBI has introduced the new rules to protect retail investors from the troubles of leverage. Leverage is considered friend when your trade is profitable, but sync your trading account in your trade or if it goes against you. SEBI's intended goal is to reduce leverage in the market to avoid large swings that can happen in stock market during the time of extreme stresses or extreme business. Now my friend, to understand a lot of advantages and disadvantages in SEBI margin rule. To understand what are those disadvantages. All around the country, the retail investors are protesting for this new SEBI margin rule implementation that for can buy an option or you can sell an option within the minimum requirement was there. Now to feel your full buying option is good, you are going to sell something much more. Impossible for a retail investor or retail trader. Disadvantages for what we understand. Advantages, what are those advantages? Why SEBI has implemented it? Friends, suppose you have taken a trade. Whatever money you have in your demat account or trading account, you are just putting that money for the trade. Now, the trade is in your favor, that is okay. You have taken a lot of quantity, you have taken multiple of 5 or multiple of 10 times of your money available in trading account, you have taken the trade. Trading going in your favor, that is okay, you are earning. Suppose you have some 1 lakh rupees in your account and you are trading with this 1 lakh rupees you have taken 10,000 quantity of a particular share. You have bought 18,000 quantity with your 1 lakh rupees. Now it's going in your favor. Point means you are earning 30,000. 3 point means you are taking a profit of 45,000. 4 point means you are taking a profit of 60,000 1 lakh rupees. That is the advantages of this leverage. Now come to the worst cases. Worst cases will happen if your trade is not in your favor. It is going against you. Now it comes to you that your whole amount is in danger. Suppose it goes 5 point against your trade. Now your 1 lakh rupees has become 25,000. Waiting some 6 point goes against you and all money is wiped off. 90,000 loss is running in your account, and in a second trade MTM when reached to 90%, the broker will close your position, will itself square up your position and amount will be just 3,000 or 4,000 left, making a huge loss. This is the advantage of SEBI new margin rule. My friend, you have to understand it in a better way. You are shouting all over that bring margins back, SEBI bring margins back, SEBI bring margins back. But understand, when you have facility of leverage losing more rather than earning, you have the facility of new margin rule. You don't have to think about this kind of circumstances. You have to only think about trade. You can concentrate on your trade. Means you have less quantity. You can diversify your trade. It's the main point. That is the advantage of SEBI new margin rule. That I think is a huge effort taken by the SEBI in this regard, and this is definitely, I think, in support of retail trader. Retail trader, this rules is actually supporting the real trader. If we don't have any attitude to just eating up money or getting money from you, just try to understand this, because this rules is protecting the retail investor. Just protecting the retail investor all around. So whoever is shouting for SEBI new margin rule, against whoever is against the SEBI new margin rule, think, hey guys, if you are making a loss, they will not come up and pay you. You have to pay by your own. If you are making a loss, if you are earning, that is also yours. So think properly. This is my first episode covering on SEBI. This is very crucial point is now happening inside the market. Every day some of our friends is coming up just telling no, bring margins back, SEBI bring margins back. Your own money, you have to think much more about this. Like SEBI has implemented it. There's a quite many reasons behind it. So many incident happens. So after so many experiments, so many researches SEBI taken, granted for that retail investor, to protect the retail investor, SEBI has done this kind of. So I think we all should support this SEBI new margin